Igbo kwenu, yeah. Igbo kwenu, yeah. Igbo kwezono, yay! Igbo ndị ọma, ekele munu. Ndewono. Welcome to today's episode of Learn to Speak Igbo. Muta kesi asu Igbo. I am still your host, Nena. So guys, in the last episode, we talked about the 36 phonemes in Igbo language, their consonant and vowel sounds, right? So today, we're going to talk about some simple and straightforward words where these vowel sounds occur. Alright? So I'll pronounce the words in Igbo, then Okowayana English. You get what I'm saying? Like I'll pronounce the words in Igbo, then I'll expatiate in English. Okay, so let's get right into it. But before we get right into it, it is better to note that Igbo language has only two syllable types. That is the consonant and vowel, which is the most common syllable type, and then the vowel or syllabic nasal. Let me repeat myself. Igbo language has only two syllable types: the consonant and vowel, then the vowel or syllabic nasal. So what am I trying to say? The unit of organization for a sequence of speech sound in Igbo language is of two types: vowel plus consonant, and then vowel or syllabic nasal. Syllabic nasal sounds produced through the nose with the mouth closed. Okay? Are you guys following me? Alright, so let's get right into it. Okay? So remember what we want to discuss now. Some of the simple and straightforward words in Igbo language. I will pronounce the words in Igbo, then explain it in English. So the first word for today is Echi. Echi, tomorrow. Echi, tomorrow. So Echi is tomorrow. Imi, nose. Imi, nose. Inu, inu, to drink. Inu mmiri, to drink water. You get what I'm saying? Actually, I'm inu mmiri. I want to drink water. So inu, to drink. Oh, enu or elu. In some Igbo states like Anambra, they pronounce the word up as enu. The general Igbo is elu. Up, elu. Down, down, ala. Down, ala. Ihu, 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 face. Ihu can also mean forward or front. Ganihu, proceed, move forward. Ihu gi mara mma, your face is beautiful. Ihu, face, front, forward. The next word is azu. Azu, the actual back. Azu, back. Azu, back. Then back can also mean behind. Like azu, back. Then and the actual back. Back. Azu, iri, to eat. Iri, to eat. Irinri, to eat food. Iri, to eat. Mo, mowa. Mo, mowa. Me, I, myself, means mowa or mo in Igbo language. Mo, mowa means I, me, myself. Rim, just like we gave an example of iri, meaning I want to eat. Then nri means food. Nri, food. Rim, so meaning give me my food. Remember that word there, mo. Nyemo, nyemo, nrimo, nrimo. So when you're trying to personalize it, mo, you get nri, mo, my food. Nri, food. Nrimo, my food. So me, myself, I eat mo or mowa. Olo, house. Olo, house. Middle, etiti. Middle, etiti. In the middle, netiti. middle, etiti, n'etiti, in the middle. Name, aha, name, aha. Gịnị bụ aha gị? What is your name? Name, aha, aha, aha gị. Name, aha. Short, for someone to be short. Mkpụmkpụ, mkpụmkpụ. Mkpụmkpụ means short in Igbo. Mkpụmkpụ, short. Surname, aha nna. Surname, aha nna. Aha nna means surname. Surname or last name means aha nna. What is your last name? In Igbo, gịnị bụ aha nna gị? Because in our culture, your surname or your last name is your father's name. So in Igbo, it is aha nna. Aha nna. Wait, wait, chere. Chere is wait. Chere, wait. In Igbo, wait is chere. Come, bịa. Bịa means come. Bịa means come. Thank you, imeela. Imeela, thank you, ndewo. This imeela and ndewo can be used interchangeably in Igbo. Okay, ndewo means thank you or well done. It can be used interchangeably. Obere, small. Obere, small. For something to be small. Obere. Nwa means child. Nwa, child. Ụmụ, children. Ụmụaka or ụmụ means children, while nwa is child. Take notes. Nwa, child. Ụmụ or ụmụaka, children. Akwụkwọ, book. Akwụkwọ, book. Big, nnukwu. Big, nnukwu, for something to be big. Nnukwu. Then fat, ibu. Fat, ibu, for someone to be fat. O buru ibu. Okay, so for something to be big means nnukwu. Ọ dị nnukwu. You say ọ dị nnukwu. Then for someone to be fat, o buru ibu. Okay, o buru ibu. Chest, obi. Chest, obi. Stop, kwụsị. Stop, kwụsị. Give, nye, nye. Then if you want to personalize it, like give me, nye mu. Remember the word me is mu or muwa. Me, I, myself. Give, nye. Give me, nye mu, nye mu. Okpuru, under. Okpuru, under. In or inside, n'ime. In or inside, n'ime. Guys, are you guys following me at all? So pronounce as I'm pronouncing. Follow me along while I'm pronouncing. Inside means n'ime in Igbo. N'ime means inside or in English. Sorry, ndo. Ndo means sorry. Ndo means sorry. Outside, ezi, n'ezi. Outside, n'ezi, ezi. Trouble, nsogbu. Nsogbu means trouble. Like if you want to say someone is a troublemaker, you can say onye nsogbu. Peace, udo. Udo, peace be unto you. Udo dịrị gị. Peace, udo. Ọzọ means again. Again, ọzọ. Again, ọzọ. Night, abalị. Night, abalị. Morning, ụtụtụ. Morning, ụtụtụ. Afternoon, ehihie. Ehihie or efifie. Like Anambra people, they call it efifie. But the general Igbo is ehihie. Hold, jide. Hold, jide. Hold, jide. So for me, for easy comprehension, I usually put some of these simple words in a song. Okay, so let me just sing one of the song I kind of I created actually. Yes, I created. So to make these simple words for easy assimilation, okay, for easy comprehension, okay. Take, were, give, nyem, in, n'ime, out, n'ezi, come, bịa, go, gawa, please, biko, sorry, ndo, under, okpuru. Okay, so you can easily sing this song. At least there are about 10 simple words in Igbo language in this song. Take, were, give, nyem, in, n'ime, up, n'elu, out, n'ezi, come, bịa, go, gawa, please, biko, sorry, ndo, under, okpuru. Okay, so these are some of the simple words in Igbo. Now, another thing for us to take note is that in Igbo language, two words can come together to make a word. Two separate words can join together to make a word. So for instance, we have Olo and Elu can be joined together to make one word. Olo Elu meaning upstairs. Olo Elu meaning upstairs. Olo and Ala can be joined together to also make one word. Olo Ala meaning bungalow. Olo Ala, bungalow. Olo and Akwụkwọ can be joined together to make one word. Ụlọ akwụkwọ meaning school. Ụlọ akwụkwọ meaning school. Anya and Wu can come together to mean one word. Anyanwụ meaning sunshine. Anyanwụ, sunshine. DK, strong. DK, strong. For someone to be strong, you said the person is DK. So you can see that DK, they are two separate words, but they are joined together to make a word in Igbo language. So DK, strong. Ngwa means quick. Ngwa or also quick. So you can mean quick, fast, sharp, quick, fast. Also ngwa. You get osbo. So quick. Ngwa. So means fast, sharp. Judo, you get. So Ngwa in Igbo means quick. So remember what I'm trying to explain is two separate words can be joined together in Igbo to form a word, like the instances I just gave. At this point, I think I've done about 40 or more words. I can't say at this point. The words are endless, okay guys, the words are endless, but you can get these words together on your own. Practice. The secret to learning is practice. They say makes improvement. So when you practice, keep practicing. Practice with Igbo friends around you. Practice with the people around you. Practice with your parents. If you have parents that you don't converse in Igbo language with, you can set it as a rule in the house that from today's henceforth, Igbo language will be our only means of conversation in this house. When you're outside, English is fine, but when you're at home, strictly Igbo language. And you will see in no time, you will make improvements. Do not feel sad or shy when you're corrected or when you're laughed at, okay? Just push forward, continue pushing forward, and continue practicing, continue learning. In no time, you will make great improvement, and you will obviously improve your proficiency in Igbo language. Okay? So guys, we've come to the end of today's episode. Okay? In our next episode, we'll learn some sentences in Igbo language, maybe simple sentences in Igbo language, and then greetings in Igbo language, and how to introduce yourself in Igbo language. Okay? So till then, udo dirigi nara nkoma ndewo. Thank you, and continue watching Afaigboamaka TV.